Instead of just seeing Google reviews or testimonials on my website, they can actually see my clients giving their testimonial, and it's been a massive help in conversions and just them being able to get a more personalized experience when they see testimonials. So seeing a face with the name has been huge for me. One area that I've used it on is my website maintenance and security, because that's an area where most clients are really unsure of. So what I've done is the clients I do have on my plan, I've asked that they talk about it in more detail and how it's benefited them. So on my maintenance and security plan page, I have right now 4 video testimonials from Magnfi, and it's been great because people can see my clients and get a more personal feel for that service. And what I found really successful in getting the testimonials is to ask a client if they're open to doing a video testimonial, and then all I have to do is go into my Magnfi account, send them a testimonial, they just click it, and it opens up their webcam in their computer, and it's awesome because all they have to do is give their testimonial in 50 seconds or less, and it's fully automated with my logo and music, and it's a really user-friendly process for them. So after every project, I have a checklist to go live and wrap up, and now Magnfi will be a part of that to get a video testimonial as the website's done, and it's really cool to have that ongoing monthly review, which is really cool. As a web designer, my business is almost 100% referral based. So I've relied on written testimonials for years. And it's done all right, but with Magnfi, what's been so great is to have a face with the name on a testimonial.